Hi there. Welcome back to Daily English from the News, the place for B2 to C1 English learners to grow their vocabulary. Each day, we pick one word from the latest headlines and learn how to use it naturally. Today's headline is from CNN. The courts are helpless, inside the Trump administration's steady erosion of judicial power. Again. The courts are helpless, inside the Trump administration's steady erosion of judicial power. Our first word today is erosion, noun. Meaning, the gradual destruction, reduction, or weakening of something. Originally, it refers to natural processes, like wind or water wearing away rock and soil. But in politics or society, it means the slow loss of strength, influence, or importance. Examples. Coastal towns are disappearing because of coastal erosion. There's been a gradual erosion of trust in the government. Memory tip: think of erosion as slow damage, not an instant break, but steady weakening over time. Our second word is judicial, adjective. Meaning, related to judges, courts, or the legal system. It's often used when talking about official legal powers, court decisions, or justice processes. Examples. The judicial system is responsible for interpreting laws. She has extensive judicial experience from working as a judge for 20 years. Memory tip: think judicial, judge. Both start with jud- and deal with courts and law. In today's headline, erosion of judicial power means a slow and steady weakening of the court's ability to make or enforce legal decisions. Now you try. Make your own sentence using erosion or judicial. You can share it in the comments, and I'll give you feedback. That's your daily English from the news. Keep learning, and see you tomorrow.